Hello and welcome back to Officina Virtuale. Let's continue our beginner series. So mechanical design, part design and part 1. Let's click on OK. And today let's talk about removed multi-section solid. Use this command. As always, we need something. So let's sketch a rectangle like this, and we can extrude this rectangle using our pet command to 50 and with mirror extend, and let's click on preview. Okay, now let's sketch something on this surface. For example, we can sketch a circle like this and exit workbench. We can select we can open our specification tree. So as you can see what we are doing now. Let's select our XY plane and let's sketch something on this plane. For example, we can sketch our second circle like this. Exit workbench. And as you can see, we've got two different sketches now, and we can sketch something on this surface. Let's sketch something like this. Okay. Now with these different sketches, we can use our removed multi-section solids. So let's click on this, this, and this. As you can see here, I've got this option enabled. This is material, shading with material, and that means we can apply material and we can see the material applied. But the options that I'm using now is this shading with edges and hidden edges, so I can see what happens inside my solid. And so let's check the arrow. As you can see here, we've got this arrow in this direction, these directions. We can change this direction, and let's click on OK, and this is what we got. Okay. Now the best way to use this command is with our spline. So let's select our YX plane and let's sketch something on this plane. For example, we can sketch a rectangle. And now let's extrude with pad 50 with mirror extend, and let's click on OK. Now we can sketch something on this surface. For example, we can sketch an hexagon like this. Okay. We can sketch something on our YX plane, and let's say another hexagon, this. And we can sketch something on our third plane like this, and let's say another hexagon where here. Okay, and let's sketch something here. Okay, and now for the first time in our life, let's change workbench, and we can use our generative shape design. And in generative shape design, we've got this option, spline, and let's click on spline, and that means we can select this point, for example, and this point as a spline, and let's click on OK. Now we can change workbench, and let's select part design. Now we can use our removed multi-section solid. This is our first sketch, second sketch, and third sketch, and now we can use a guide like this, and we can select this line here. Let's click on preview, and of course we've got problem because we need to check the orientation. As you can see here, this closing point, we need to change the orientation of this point, and the most important thing that we need to know, we need to select this point as our closing point. So let's replace, and let's select this. Let's replace this point, and let's select this, and let's replace this point, and let's select this. Let's check the orientation. OK, OK, and OK, and let's click on preview, and OK. This is the best way to use this command. Normally we will use spline as our spine. Okay. Don't panic too much if it's a lot to take in. I will be repeating lots of these commands in the subsequent videos. Okay. If you like this content, please consider to subscribe, share and so on. See you soon.